I am cooking. Ta-da! Can you see? It's hot dogus. And while I was cooking, Shabby, she was running, run, and I see her bite this Aussie. It's dead. She wouldn't bite him. She's like, and she wouldn't do him hard like that. Oh my god, good thing wouldn't die. And I was like, Shabby, no! And then I thought about it. The reason why he's dead because always eat Shabby's food. Ah, that's why. You always eat Shabby's food. That's why. That's why. Hello. Oh my god, Maki. Somebody sweep it. Oh, that's why you get shot. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh shit! Oh! Fuck! Oh gosh! Total mockiness. Oh. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, bye!